Hi guys, so for this video, I'm going to discuss about, or I'm going to briefly discuss about the topics that are in chapter 2. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So in chapter 2, so it like focuses on the basics of configuring in the packet tracer. So it shows different model of the Cisco IOS and the command structure that is used to configure. It also discussed the initial settings of Cisco iOS switch device, which include the setting name, limiting access to the device configuration, putting banner messages, and saving the configuration. So it also discuss how to secure the devices, or how to put password and how to encrypt the password. So it also discuss about the different modes of in the different modes, like the user exec mode, privilege exec mode, and the global configuration mode, and how are we going to get to those modes, and the and when are we going to use those modes. So, and this chapter also briefly discuss the interfaces and ports, or the media, and how does those media different from each other. So these are the differences between the various types of media. So the distance the media can successfully carry the signal, the environment in which the media is to be installed, the amount of data and the speed at which it moves be transmitted, and the cost of the media and the installation. So, as I said earlier, so this chapter also discuss about the modes. So, where there is greater than sign, so that is the user exec mode. So when we type enable, we're going to the privilege exec mode, and we know that we're in the privilege exec mode when we see the hashtag or the number sign. And then to go to the global configuration mode, we need to type the configure terminal, and then we will see that we will see the host name, and then the config inside the parentheses, which means we're in the global configuration mode. So in the global configuration mode, so here we can change the host name, and then after that, if you want to put the password, we're going to put the password in the not in the global configuration mode, but in the privilege exec mode. So doing that, we need to type the command enable secret and then the password. And then after that, we also need to we also need to secure the console line. And by doing that, we need to type the command line console 0 and then enter. After that, when we're in the when we see the host name and then the word config, then line, we're in the console line. So by then we can put the password, and by doing that we need to type the word password and then the password that we want to put. And then after that, we need to type the command login for the we need to type the login. Then next is we need to exit, and after that we need to also secure the virtual line. And then by doing that, we need to type the command line bty 0 to 15. So that means we're going to secure the first 16 lines. And then after that, we're going to type the command again, the password, and then the password that you want to assign to that line. Then type again login and then exit. So after that, if we want to see if what we do are correct, so we need to type exit. Then we're going to when we type exit from the virtual line, we're going to go back to the global configuration mode, and there we need to type show running dash config, and then by then it will show the configuration that we made. We will see that if the password is encrypted or not. So if the password is not encrypted, so we can go back the global configuration mode and then type service password dash encryption, and then after that, so if we want to check if the password are already encrypted, so we're going to type again in the global configuration mode the command show running dash config, and then after that we need to put an IP address to our devices. So first we need to put IP address to our line, which is the gigabit ethernet 0/0/0, and by doing that we need to type the command in the global configuration mode, the command interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0, and then after that we need to type the command IP address, and then we can type the IP address that we want to assign to that interface. And then after that, we need to type the command no shutdown for our device, or for that line to be activated. And then after that, we need to exit, and then put an IP address to our interface gigabit Ethernet 0/1. So this is just an example. So after that, so we need to type again the command IP address, and then enter the IP address that we want to assign to that line. Then after that, we need to type again the shutdown for the activation, and then exit. So after that, so if we need to, or we want to put the banner message for to warn, or for the person that want to access the device. So in the global configuration mode, we're going to type banner MOTD, and then the banner message that we want to put. So for example is unauthorized access is punishable by law according to RA the number 87/92 or Electronic Commerce Act. So if we want so after that, if we want to save it, we're going to type in the global configuration mode the command copy running config to the startup config. So you type copy running -config, and then startup -config.